classrooms to career, AI is reshaping every field. At Sister Nivedita University, the Department of Law and English has organized an AI workshop to help students and faculty to understand and harness the potential of artificial intelligence.
Everybody, irrespective of their discipline, they must be users of AI. They will have to live with it, they will be embedded in AI. They have to use it, otherwise they will be falling back. Those who are willing to do research, so when everybody will have to, then the second category is who will have to learn and the AI tools and use them productively in their other works.
Students who want to use AI depends on their background. So if a computer science student wants to use AI, I will advise them to learn mathematics better, learn statistics better, understand the logic part very well. AI technologies are critically dependent on those things. If the student is from non-computer science or largely from non-STEM background, my advice would be use your scholarship to train AI properly, to use AI judiciously, as you understand the cost of AI is significant.
By doing so is doing so responsibly, then the answer would be that the use of AI has to be responsible. AI itself is neither responsible nor irresponsible. It's a tool. It can be used in order to make your life better. It can be used to make your life better at the cost of other people. The question is, at the end of the day, that decision, that value-laden decision, principle-based decision, is still something that only human beings can make. So artificial intelligence, no matter how intelligent, will never be able to beat natural stupidity.
The session concludes with students and faculties with gaining a deeper understanding of AI, with camera person Simran and this Sritama reporting directly from Sister Nivedita University.